Nutan,
Hello.
you can start now.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, everyone, and good afternoon, sir. We are now I present the Corba technology topic. These are the content of my topic, and now I directly go to introduction. What is meant by Corba? The Corba is a common object request broker architecture. Is standard developed by the object management group. And, what is the work of Corba? The Corba's work to manage the object. We know we have a different language like a C++, Java. All these languages works with the object. That's why this Corba technology provides some impact, or provides some what we say some knowledge to minimize our work by using the programming. Now Corba is the world's leading middleware solution, enabling exchange the information and independent of hardware, platform, programming knowledge, and operating system. Corba is essentially design specification for object request broker. As I say, the object request broker. Now Corba is enabled to communication between software and different language, because it works remotely. It's work on remote. It's use ideally interface definition language. Its ideally mapping are more difficult to user than other. For example, due to nature of Java, the ideal Java mapping is rather straightforward, and the make uses of Corba is very simple in Java application. Corba then specifies the mapping of from ideally to specify the implementation language like a C++, Java. Standard mapping exists: ADA, C++, C++11, COBOL, Java, Lisp. These are these every language is a object. This all language works with a object. Now we can see there is a here is a one diagram that can show you how the Corba is work. There is a client side, there is a server side. The main client side and server main side. There is a in a client side box, there is a object request box, and here is also object request box. These object request box have a essential role, and the client side also object reference and general stub code, and here server side object implementation and generated the skeleton code. ORB wonder, and there are some key points you can see. The typically the ORB implementation include the tool called as a ideally. So what is meant by ideally? Interface definition language. There is some version. Here is some version of history. Version is 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 2.0, 2. That as we see, 3.3 is the latest version which published in November 2012, and its addition of ZIOP. First version with C mapping. We all know C is a basic language for when we have a knowledge of C, we easily understand C++, Java. And first major in August 1996, the first major update are the standard and dubbed Corba 2, and in February 1998 Java mapping. As we say, there is all information provided in the version history. There is a process working how Corba technology is working. There is a one client side, there is a one server side. When client side send the request to server, the servers receive the request and from the client, and server send the reply to client, and client get the reply. What we say, like for example, when we call someone, the call received by someone, they replied us the same work like this how we do back. There is a one client, other here is a one kind one, we can say one is a client and one is a server. Same work with like a Corba technology. There is a brief on system, how the systems work. There is a source code, there is a compiler, and there is a incomplete implementation blocker, there is a system, there is a object code, and the main point of that is a linker that link the server and client. Who When any system is provide the object code, they link with the ORB live, and the server and in Corba technology, communication between server and client is a most important. Some benefits of the Corba technology. These are the language independent, OS independent, freedom from technology, data typing, high tunability, freedom from data transfer and compression. It's not depend on language. Like when we code with C, there is a multiple rules and syntax when we use this Corba technology on they don't know any these are the remotely work. It is not OS independent. When we work with OS, we know how difficult to manage the freedom is different from technology. There is a data tunability, high tunability, freedom from data transfer. When we see our PC, or we can say our laptop, there is some memory in RAM or ROM. These we can transfer a large amount of data using Corba technology. I work specially with Java. How the Corba implement on the Java. There is introduced in version 1.1 with Java Platform 2 to provide the interface between Java programmers and distributed object. We, as we know how the Java is work with the object, and the Corba is defined by the object management group, because Corba's first work is working with the object, manage the object, and the standard mapping converting ideally interfaces into in classes, C code and Java classes. The generated classes use the underlying the Corba framework to communication with a remote client. The Java ideally has a some implementation of standard ideally to Java mapping, standard Java STK and ORG like RMI. The remote method invocation and Java ideally interface definition language. You may access the remote object over the network. It also provides the tool you need to make your object accessible and other Corba client. If you export the Java classes using Java ideally, it is possible to create an instance that class published through the naming and directory. There is at the time of Java 2 version 1.2, the Corba specification and the ideally Java binding Corba were bit be flux, and all information given in the PPT you can see. Ideally to Java mapping took same time to update the support POA. There is some literature survey. There is a different document, but I especially put my presentation in Oracle document. They specially work with Corba with Java, the Corba technology and Java platform of standard edition. The Java platform standard edition is 1.4 and provides the object request blocker into two Corba programming. One is a ORB and one is a inter ORB protocol. This topic discuss this option for creating and disturbing Corba technology. Corba technology as the integral part of the Java platform. It consists of object request blocker, API, and RMI programming model. API is for the ideally programming model. How does Java ISC leverage Corba? Common object request blocker architecture, technology, and open standard heterogeneous computing. In this, we don't want to homogeneous computing. Corba complement Java platform provides distributed object framework, and Java platform complements Corba by providing portable, highly productive implementation environment and very robust platform. There is some important point. Produce a Corba programming model history and Corba programming model, comparing Corba programming model, RMI programming model, ideally programming model, and what about the Corba and J. So all content are present in the Oracle document, but due to time consumption, I didn't put in this my presentation. Now I go to conclusion. The Corba is a object request blocker. Is the middleware that establishes the client server relationship between the object. As we say in my last slide, client and server the manager thing. Using ORB, client object can invoke the meta and server object can same machine across the network. Corba like SQL provide both static and dynamic interface to its service. These are some reference like Oracle document, Ticopedia document, O'Reilly document, and there is some research paper. Thank you.